Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 26 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge. Sorry this video is a little bit late. I should have filmed it last week, but I actually waited a couple days because the market was so low and it's now starting to climb back up. And I think it's a perfect time to start investing in some of those long-term ETF plays that I was investing in before. So as you can see, up $100 today, so 1%, but the past week and month have been pretty detrimental. In the past week, we're down $265, past month, $178, and then overall, our portfolio is still up $986 or 11.49% all time. So as we scroll down here, we can kind of see all the stocks that I have been buying or have bought in the past. And we're still seeing some good growth with most stocks. Now, with QQCF, which is the NASDAQ 100, those growth stocks in the US really taking a big hit, as well as the US market in total US market. So what we're going to do is we have $439 because we increased the amount that we're depositing every 2 weeks to $400. We're going to buy a couple shares of not VDY, but VFV, which follows the S&P 500. We're going to try to buy 4 shares of this today. So as you can see, even on the daily chart, it's kind of pretty stagnant, but once we go to the long-term charts, it's very far down. So I expect that this should spike back up eventually, but we're in it for the long run. So eventually that stock is going to go back up. So it's a perfect time to buy the dip right now into the S&P. We're going to try to buy about 4 shares of this into our TFSA and confirm order. Perfect. So it's just pending, should go through very soon. So again, just to kind of update you guys, our portfolio is up to $9,570. Again, about 2 weeks away, hopefully, to breaking that $10,000 mark. And that would be in the first year of investing, which is absolutely incredible. It's kind of our goal that we set. So look forward to that yearly $10,000 goal video, which I'm very, very excited about. But apart from that, if you guys haven't downloaded Wealthsimple Trade, download it in the description. You get 2 free stocks as well as Shakepay. Another great time to buy crypto, as crypto has completely crashed down. So again, with buying the dip of crypto as well. Shakepay referral link in the description as well. I think you get $30 if you deposit $100, and I get a little bit of kickback too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great end to the day. Remember, the stock market is down right now, but it's going to head back up. So really take advantage of that and buy the dip into these main stock holdings that you have. So again, have a great day, guys.